I'm about to go to sleep. You
Mhm.
should not eat to be tired. Your food shouldn't cause you to be drained or sleepy. You
Right.
know what I'm saying? It should make you want to, man, let's go. You know what I'm saying? And so a lot of people they kind of misinterpret when we eating full and eating to be satisfied is totally different things.
Yeah.
I could eat a salad and be satisfied.
Mhm.
Not
Yeah.
full.
Which a lot of people, they were like, you didn't eat anything. All you had was a salad.
I'm
Dude,
I'm content.
dude,
But
I'm good.
you will
Yeah.
never be full because the way the food is processed, it's designed to cause addiction. It's designed to cause gluttony. So you're gonna want it more.